सुन रहे हैं समाचार एजेंसी ऑफ इंडिया का ऑडियो बुलेटिन।
You are listening the national level audio bulletin of the Samachar Agency of India on 5th July 2020. Now you hear the news from Preeti Bhosle. The number of infected patients of COVID-19, the country has increased the number by 6,73,165. Recover cases 4,09,083. In the Madhya Pradesh 2,64,000 total COVID cases. Recover cases are 1,08,082. In Tamil Nadu, total cases of COVID-19 1,07,001 and recover cases are 60,592. In the Delhi, total cases of COVID-19 97,200 and recover cases are 68,256. In Gujarat, total COVID cases are 35,312. Recover cases are 25,406. In Uttar Pradesh, total COVID cases 26,554. Recover cases are 18,154. In Madhya Pradesh, total COVID cases 14,604 and recover cases are 11,234.
शहर के पॉश इलाके बारा पत्थर में वाटिका रेस्टोरेंट आपकी सेवा में तत्पर है। अनलॉक 1 अनलॉक 2 के दौरान यहाँ आप सभी के लिए लजीज व्यंजन, पार्टीज के लिए हॉल, लॉन, बर्थडे पार्टी हो या शादी विवाह का मौका, आप यहाँ आकर पारिवारिक माहौल में हवादार कमरों के साथ, हवादार जगह के साथ आप अपने घरेलू जो भी उत्सव हैं, बर्थडे पार्टी है, जन्मदिवस की पार्टीज हैं, ये शादी विवाह हैं, किटी पार्टी हैं, आप यहाँ पर बहुत आसानी के साथ वाजिब दरों पर संपन्न करा सकते हैं। इसके साथ ही जबलपुर रोड पर वाटिका सेलिब्रेशन भी आपकी सेवा में है। वाटिका सेलिब्रेशन में एयर कंडीशन कमरे हैं, लॉन है, वाटरप्रूफ लॉन, बारिश के समय भी जहां आपको छत मिल सकती है। आप शादी, ब्याह, सगाई, जन्म दिवस की पार्टी, किटी पार्टीज आदि यहाँ कर सकते हैं। सैनिटाइजेशन के लिए भी यहाँ पर्याप्त व्यवस्थाएं रखी गई हैं। वाटिका रेस्टोरेंट बारा पत्थर सिनी में, वाटिका सेलिब्रेशन जबलपुर रोड स्थित वाटिका सेलिब्रेशन में थोड़ा सा बड़ा स्पेस है, बड़ी जगह है। वाटिका रेस्टोरेंट बारा पत्थर में आपकी सेवा में ये चालू है। पधार कर एक बार सेवा का मौका अवश्य दें।
Prime Minister Narendra Modi has called for the adoption of organic and natural farming in a cluster-based approach. He said Indian Council of the Agriculture Research (ICAR) has developed the geo-referenced organic carbon map of India and identify the 88 biocontrol agents and 22 biopesticides which can promote the organic agriculture. Mr. Modi reviewed the progress of the agriculture research extension education in India through the video conferencing yesterday. Prime Minister directed that the startups and the agriculture entrepreneurs need to the promoted to ensure the innovation and use of the technology in agriculture and allied the sectors. He highlighted that the need of the leverage information and technology to provide the information on the demand to the farmers. Mr. Modi said the study of the grasses and the local fodder crops should be undertaken to understand their nutritive values. He highlighted the need of the study use of the seaweeds for the impact of the soil health apart from the exploring the commercial application in the nutritious. Prime Minister has launched Atmanirbhar Bharat Innovation Challenge to identify the best Indian app that are the already being used the citizen and have the potential to scale become a world class apps in their respective categories. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has urged people to teach the committee and participate in the Atmanirbhar app innovation challenge. This will run to tracks the promotion extension app and the development of new app. In the linked post, Mr. Modi said for the promotion of extension app and the platform across the category of e-learning, work from home, gaming, business, entertainment, office utilities and the social network, government will provide the monitoring, the hand holding and support. Track on will work in the mission mode, identify good quality apps for the later abroad and will be completed around the month. For the incubating the new app and the platform, track 2 initiative will work to help create new champions in India for the providing support in the ideation and the incubation, prototyping and the rollout along with the market access. He said India has a very vibrant touch and start for up the ecosystem, which has made the Indian proud nationally as well as the globally. He also said there is a huge potential of the India market and the scale products as achieved if they can satisfy the demands of the market. Reviewing the Bharatiya Janata Party's Seva Hi Sangathan Abhiyan through the video conferencing yesterday, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has addressed that party is political organized which work to serve the people of country, and it is not only the election winning machine. Mr. Modi said the national of the first for the BJP workers and it's come before any time. The Prime Minister said BJP has 52 Dalits and 43 Adivasis MPs. He said more than 130 BJPs and MPs are the for backward classes and over 150 BJP MLAs are from the Adivasi committee. He said it shows that BJP truly respect all the sections of the society. Agriculture Minister Narendra Singh Tomar has said the rural sector will be transformed by the constitution of the 10,000 new farms producer organization FPOs. He said the 86% farmer in the country are the small and the marginal farmers who are the strengthen the rural economy. Through these the FPOs, Mr. Tomar said this will be not only help the agriculture progress but also create a new avenue for the development of the country. Addressing the meeting of the Laghu Udyog Bharti and the Sarkari Bharti through the video conferencing, Mr. Tomar said the beginning of the minimum number of the member in the FPOs will be 300 in the plains and 100 in the northeast and hills area. The government has set the matter of the OBC reservation of all India quota seat in the medical education is presently under the consideration of the Supreme Court. In a tweet, Health Ministry said it has taken the proactive stand and the suggested state-specific reservation for the OBCs in all India quota scheme. Ministry was responding to the senior Congress leader Rahul Gandhi tweet in which had shared the letter written by the Congress President Sonia Gandhi to Pradhan Mantri Narendra Modi demanding the extension of the reservation for the OBC in all Indian quota for the medical and dental seat in the seat and UT government medical education institution. Ladakh Lieutenant Governor R.K. Mathur has e-launched Mission Organic Development Initiative MODI has the greenhouse project to steer the Union Territory on the sustainable path. Mr. Mathur held the special meeting to discuss for the roles and the functioning of Leh and the Kargil Hill Councils yesterday. Mr. Mathur led the emphasis and the enhancing the ability of the two councils to the full utilize their budget and the deliver greater benefit to the people for the Ladakh. Moreover, 25 crores sapling will be planted under the mission One Raksha Ropan 2020 across the Uttar Pradesh. Today, the record plantation of the single day will be carried out with the people's participation and inter-departmental coordination. Hero Cycle has cancelled the trade deals worth 900 crore rupees with China. Hero Cycle chairman and the managing director Pankaj Munjal said the company has boycotted Chinese companies and decided not to do any trade with Chinese in future. He said the company will be now manufacturing the high-tech cycle in India. He said the companies is now looking the opportunity to other countries and planning to set up plant of the Hero cycles in Germany, from where the cycle would be the supply to all European countries. Indian Council of the Medical Research ICMR has addressed that it is acting to coordinate with the globally acceptance norms to fast track vaccine development for the disease of pandemic potential. It said it is important to promote the indigenous vaccine development while ensuring safety, quality, ethics and the adherence to all the regulatory requirements. ICMR and the Bharat Biotech have joined the hands for the development of the potential COVID-19 vaccine called the Covaxin. The Drug Controller General of India has accorded the permission to conduct the phase 1 and 2 human clinical trial. ICMR said in the larger public health interest, it is important for the ICMR the clinical trial with the promising indigenous vaccine. World Health Care Organization WHO has appreciated the work done by the Indian government to contain the spread of the coronavirus. Chief Scientist of WHO Dr. Soumya Swaminathan said that it is an achievement for the India that in the last couple of the months India has become self-sufficient in the testing kits. She said the Indian government took the serious step from the beginning and put in the place certain measures in the January itself based on WHO recommendation. She said India should also focus on the data management organization from the pandemic. In Madhya Pradesh, interstate bus services will remain suspended until the future orders in the view of the COVID-19 situation. An order issued by the State Home Department said that interstate bus operation will be continued to be suspended while the inter-district buses will be plied normally. Our correspondent report Madhya Pradesh has recorded 14,297 cases of the coronavirus. You were listening the national level audio bulletin of the Samachar Agency of India from Preeti Bhosle on 5th July 2020. We will be present again this bulletin on 6th July 2020. If you like this bulletin, then you must be like it, subscribe and share it. We will be present again. Till then, goodbye.